Even the Vice President told him so, na ang sindikato sa budget ay si Romualdez at si Saldico several times over when the alliance was still alive. Ang problema ni Marcos, hindi siya nakikinig. Dahil dalawang bagay yun. Kinokonsinti niya dahil nakikinabang siya o bahagi siya ng buong plano. With due respect kay Undersecretary Astra Naik, no matter how many times you will advise a person kung involved siya from the very start sa arkitekto ng krimen, walang mangyayari yun. Mahirap gisingin ang taong nagtutulog-tulugan. Pero mas mahirap po gisingin ang taong talagang siya ay bahagi ng buong sindikato at krimen. Because Marcos has been told several times over, hindi lang po ng DBM. At pangalawa, malinaw pong binanggit ni former President Duterte. Ang budget sa 2025, pinakasindikato na budget, with more than 28 items na blanco, 13 pages of the GAA published. Ang may mga blanco, 241 billion pesos. Anong sagot nila ni Bersamin? Mga kulukoy. Ang sagot nila, rumor mongering ang ginagawa ni Duterte, fake news. Ibig sabihin po, hindi nagkulang ang taong bayan and even the representative leaders of the people na siya ay abisuhan. From the very start po, kung mayroong dapat mangyari dito, palalayasin dapat si Marcos at kasama si Romualdez at papanagutin sila. In what way? People power is one option. Mapayapa, ngunit matuwid, at may paninindigan, hindi natatakot. Hindi tayo manggugulo. Hindi tayo magwawasak ng mga properties. But let the people call out on the street. If it will force the armed forces of the Philippines and the Philippine National Police to declare a withdrawal of support to the Commander-in-Chief, so be it. Sapagkat may mga abogado dito, hindi yan illegal. For the armed forces of the Philippines and the Philippine National Police to stand by the people is not mutiny, is not good. It is their obligation according to Article 2, Section 3 of the Constitution. The armed forces of the Philippines shall be the protector of the state and the people. And Marcos and Romualdez are not the state. They are not also representing now the interests of the people. They deserve to be kicked out from office. That should be done by the people in a people power. Pero may kabiyak po yan. Dahil na-failed ang People Power 1 and People Power 2. Dahil hindi natuloy ang people's agenda in good governance. Yun ang babantayan po namin, kaya kami nandito.